Hi guys, my name is Laura and I wanted to do a quick video in regards to Dupixent and the side effects. I feel like these are things that I should share with everyone to see if you have a similar experience, and some of the things that I told my doctor he doesn't really believe and he thinks it's not scientifically proven. So I kind of wanted to get feedback on what you guys are going through, what you're experiencing, and what I've experienced on them. So I'm not saying this is the right one for all. It may just be me. But first and foremost, I felt like my doctor didn't really educate me on the side effects and did not educate me on when I should stop taking this medicine. All he said was this is going to give you a better quality of life, and that you got to take this forever, or you got to use this shot forever. And I wish he had told me that, this is a newer medicine. There's not a lot of studies done. And secondly, if you're a woman, you're trying to get pregnant, or you are pregnant, clearly you shouldn't be taking this shot. But he didn't really tell me, and I had to find out from someone else. And luckily right now that's not part of my life, and that's not something that I'm trying to do at this moment. So I'm okay to continue to use the medicine. So I'll give you a little background. I've been taking this medicine, or not taking this medicine, getting shots since January. I haven't had a straight path due to some issues that I've been having, and I really don't know if I want to continue to use Dupixent. One, I am petrified of shots. I do not like shots at all. I overthink it every time I have to get one. I still can't administer it myself. Either my sister has to do it for me, or I go to the doctor. So that's been one thing. I mean, I guess it's not so bad after doing it so many times, but it's still something that I think about, and it's something that I hate. So to me, it's not the best medication, but okay. So anyways, like I said, I started taking in January. I took it as the doctor told me to, 2 shots, a shot every 2 weeks. And then in March, I started getting weird eye issues. Now, one of the side effects is conjunctivitis. I can't say it right, so don't quote me, but it has to do with infection of the eye, like red eye and things of that sort. So I was like, okay, well, I don't really know, because I always have eczema everywhere. I have eczema on my hands, on my neck, on my face. So to me, I just thought, okay, this is just normal. My skin isn't really getting necessarily better, but okay, let me just continue taking the medicine. I started getting this crazy rash on my eye, which I usually had, but it started getting pussy, and it started just getting so inflamed. And at one point, I couldn't even see out of my eye. It was so swollen. So anyways, that's besides that. I actually went to the emergency room, and they said that I had impetigo, but the doctor wasn't really sure. At the emergency room, he also said, oh, it could be just atopic dermatitis. Well, duh, I have atopic dermatitis, so to me, that wasn't really the best medication, or not medication, diagnosis. So he gave me some kind of cream to put on it and told me to put Bactrin, and I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And clearly it did not go away. And I was still doing my Dupixent shots normally, along with some steroid shots. And it got so bad to the point where I could not see and I could not drive. I was crying because I just couldn't even. It hurt so bad. My eyes were so small. They were so puffy and swollen. And I had to go to home from work for 3-4 days in a row. And I kept washing my eyes, kept doing eye drops. It was just the worst feeling of life. I honestly am not even, and this is not a joke, I'm not even suicidal, or I would never even think of those thoughts. But I was in so much pain that I thought, I hear stories about people getting their, LASIK eye surgery, and, them causing to have weird thoughts of that sort. I was in so much pain that even crossed my mind, oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. So I remember one day I went home from work. I swear I I couldn't see out of one eye, and the other eye was so small, and I was on the freeway, and I was gonna pull over, but I was literally 3 minutes away from home. So I called my mom and I told her to keep talking to me until I got home. And I remember like calling my boyfriend to come get me, and I just remember laying down just trying to sleep, but I couldn't sleep because I thought that if I went to sleep I wouldn't wake up or I wouldn't have my eyes. So it was just like this horrible feeling that I got. And I just remember taking sleeping pills to go to sleep, and still my eyes were so swollen I couldn't even open them for the next 2-3 days. Now I tell my doctor this, and he's like, scientifically, this is not it. This is not the cause of the medicine. I really don't believe that Dupixent caused this issue, but I've never had this issue in my whole entire life. And it was just swollen and swollen for a whole like 2 months, from March through April. I mean, it just got continually worse. So honestly, I just stopped the medicine altogether. I was like, I'm not doing this. I have vacation trip in May, and so I just stopped taking it, or stopped injecting shots. And honestly, I got better. And so I was looking around YouTube, and I was watching a few people's video, and they said the same thing. They said, oh, my skin cleared up, but my eyes were a little swollen, but I still continued to take the medicine, but I think I just got the worst of it. And so now I started back taking them again, taking shots again after I came back from my vacation in May, but I've been doing it monthly, and honestly, it's not helping. And honestly, it's because I haven't been taking it consistently, but I really don't think I want to continue taking it. I mean, I just feel like I'm so afraid that my eyes are going to get swollen again, that I can't see, and that, I'm going to have those thoughts again. I mean, that was like the worst time, the worst 2 months of just my eczema on my eyes and me even getting those thoughts. And I don't know if I want to experience that again, but I wanted to definitely try it again to see how it would feel. But I feel like once I'm on Dupixent, my whole body clears, but my face doesn't clear. But then if I don't have it, oh my God, my breakouts are 10 times worse. So I really don't know if I want to continue to do it or not. But I wanted to get your feedback and wanted to see if you guys were also experiencing that, because my doctor is like, no, that's not from Dupixent, but I know that that is not how my normal body is, and that it is a direct impact from Dupixent. But anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video. Actually, it's really long, but yeah, please comment and let me know if you're experiencing that.